Well, I'm over at Murray's this morning to help them with their congratulations for their 50th wedding anniversary. Not everybody makes this milestone, so let's just have a little chat with them and see how they're doing this morning. So, Murray and Carol, how are you this morning?
We're absolutely great this morning.
Nice to see everybody. Isn't it just a beautiful day?
Yeah, we picked the right day for this. And,
all right, over 50 years, there's got to be some stories, right? So, let's face it.
When we got married 50 years ago, it was in Transcona, Manitoba.
Yeah.
And we had 500 people in a hall, which was a bowling alley on the top, and then below there was a hall, and we had 500 people there, and 400 and some odd for a sit-down dinner. Ooh. And it was a big Ukrainian style thing.
No shotguns.
No shotguns. No. And anyhow, so we had all the cars parked outside.
Yeah.
In the thing, and then of course nobody worried about anybody stealing anything, so they left all their windows down, and there's a thunderstorm came, and we're downstairs in the basement, and all the cars got flooded, literally. They just full of water. So that was the start of it. But it was the meal was great. The meal was great.
The wine was flowing.
Everything went well.
Yeah. And I'll tell you the difference of today and then. Back then it was, I think it was it $1.75 for a full dinner per person. And then afterwards, I think for 25 cents, they had a meal afterwards with all the
at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock at night, if you hadn't eaten all that you wanted to eat. So
that sounds great.
Yeah,
I mean, things have changed a little bit.
They have.
The wages have gone up a little bit.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
a little bit too.
Yeah, now I'm sure it costs you at least $3 for a nice meal like that. Yeah, that's.
Swiss Chalet.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we're all Swiss Chalet people now.
Yeah. Even JJ's is gone. So
yeah. Yeah, JJ's is gone. Okay, so over the many times I've talked to Murray, and he's always said that he's got the best one at home.
Yeah.
And to put up with all the stuff.
Yeah, that's right.
And I know that Murray, for years and years and years, couldn't walk by a garbage can or anything like that without checking out to see if there's any good stuff
that's
inside.
Right.
So, Carol, what's the weirdest thing you ever brought home?
The weirdest thing?
That you shook your head. Didn't say anything, but walked away.
I do it quite often.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I know. I've seen him in receiving.
Yeah.
It's got to be something.
Probably the elevator.
The elevator.
Yeah.
The elevator's got to be one of them.
Yeah. I guess that's one of the big accomplishments too, though.
That was.
Yeah.
Over the 50 years, I guess the cabin is right up there with one of your favorite accomplishments.
Absolutely, yeah.
Along with the children, of course.
That's right.
Well, explain to us, what children have you got?
Well, go ahead.
Christine,
yeah,
our daughter.
Yeah.
And Ken is our son.
Yeah, and you got grandchildren.
And we got 2 grandchildren.
Yeah.
And we have to mention John. And his 2 girls.
Yeah.
Too.
Relative John Zubek.
Yeah.
The Polish relative.
We're very close to them too.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So our extended.
So then, in the car business, were you always in the car business, Murray? What else have you
In
done?
the tire business.
Tires?
Yes, I started off with OK Tire when I went through high school, and then from there I ended up in Saskatchewan. After one day at home after I graduated, I left and ended up running out of money in Saskatoon. Spent a year and a half there getting out of Saskatoon and was working for BF Goodrich Rubber Company. And I got transferred to Winnipeg, and I met Carol first, and then I got transferred to
Where'd you
Winnipeg.
meet Carol?
At a wedding, believe it or not, my
His
cousin's wedding.
wedding.
Yeah, she played the organ at the church, so I needed a date and asked her if she wanted to go to the reception after, and
The rest is
the
history.
rest is history. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So
And Carol, you were a nurse, right?
Yes, I was in training when I met Murray.
Training for Murray or being a nurse?
yeah.
Both. Yeah,
And you were a nurse for quite a few years
Yeah, I was ER nurse
in Jubilee,
in Winnipeg.
in Winnipeg. Not here.
Not here.
Not here. Okay.
Out
And
here, I was in
Home care.
home care.
home care. Okay. And then Murray, you started in the car business out here when?
No, in Winnipeg.
Yeah, but I mean when you got out here.
Yeah.
right? You were at Empress or
Glen
first or
Oak.
Glen Oak first?
Glen Oak Ford for 3 years, and then after they ran into a few hiccups, I decided I'd go to Empress Pontiac, and there for 33 years. So, yeah, it's a great place.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
Well, that's good.
Nice
I mean,
people.
this will give some people some insight, more of a background.
Yeah.
Everybody just knew
Yeah.
Murray as the car guy or
Yeah.
the guy that wouldn't say no to helping anybody or anything else. So I know that's one of my favorite things about you was you were always there to help people.
Yeah. Well, I enjoy that
And
part.
yeah,
so,
I know.
yeah.
And you just drop everything and put a hot water tank in or fix a toilet or anything like that. So, no, that's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
right from the first time I met Murray, he always said that he had the best woman at home that you could possibly have to put up with
The
all
most
his
patient
stuff.
one.
The
Yeah.
most patient
yeah.
one, yeah. So congratulations,
Thank you
two.
so much,
Thank
Bruce.
you.
Yeah.
And I hope we can do a 75 one year.
Yeah, I hope so.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Well,
Maybe,
Maybe we'll
keep
really
going.
stretch and
That'd
make
be
it 100.
fantastic.
So, yeah.
And I'm sure the meals will be a bit more than $1.25.
That's right, yeah,
$1.75.
yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's with
That is absolutely great, Bruce. Thank
Murray
you.
and Carol this morning
Yeah.
at their beautiful home in Broadmead, and we'll talk to you in a little bit.
Great. Thanks, Bruce.
Thank you. How you doing? Good. How are you? Oh, no. That's right. Right here.
I don't want to be congratulations.
Yeah.
I'll give you a COVID time.
Yeah.
happy anniversary on your 50th. Have a good one. Hey, Steve.
Thanks so much. Thank you. Oh, that's great. Love you. Bye. Yeah. See you later. Super awesome, lady. Hello there, Billy. Bobby. Go. Go. Well, here's parking.
That's all, folks.